Okay, so last structural directive tayo, which is yung ngSwitch. Let's say I have here, as you can see, we have public students, we have name and then year. So I'll going to loop it using ng container. And then I want to make to create card for every students in here, which also contains ion card header and ion card title as that name, so that their names can be printed in here. So ang gusto kong mangyari is depende sa year, kung ano yung year na nakalagay sa kanila, yun yung magiging kulay. So mag-a-assign tayo ng color for that. So we can use ngSwitch on this. Okay, so for example, in here, gusto natin lagyan ng pinaka main condition is yung ion card natin, or yung pinaka-parent. We're going to use bracket and then ngSwitch. So and then in here, kaya ako siya iniloop ng ganito kasi tatanungin natin on every card na nag-iterate. So kapag ka daw yung s.year natin na nakalagay dito is, let's say, is equal to 1, for example. So lalagay natin primary, secondary sa 2, tertiary sa 3. Okay? So kapag ka naman 4, so maglalagay tayo ng ibang kulay. So ngayon gagawa tayo ng mga switch cases for this ngSwitch. So to do that, let's in our ion card header, I will going to create asterisk ngSwitch case is equal to, pag sinabi nating 1. Okay, so ang ibig sabihin nito, kapag ka daw si s-year ay 1 ang value, eto ngayon yung style ng card header natin. So maglalagay tayo ng color primary. So we will going to duplicate this, a couple of more. Okay, and then this one, kapag ka naman ang year nito ay 2, or ang value nun ay 2, lalagay natin dito ay secondary. 3 for tertiary. Okay, so you can do, for example, in 4 also, like so, danger. So ayan, so may naka-assign tayo. But sa ano natin, sa ibang switch cases natin, meron tayong parang break or meron tayong pinaka-default. Okay, so let's say let's add one student. Okay, so I just added gel 0 in here. So paano kapag ka 0? Okay, so as you can see in here, hindi lumabas yung gel natin. So we can handle that. Okay, so by creating another switch or switch default ang gagamitin po natin. And then wala na tayong nakalagay na equal sign. So as in, tapos eto na lang, gawin natin siyang dark, color dark. So as you can see, hindi pala nyo nakikita yan. So ayan. So as you can see in here, kapag default yung kulay natin, wala dun sa mga pamimiliin natin, wala dun sa mga year natin. So for example, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. So kapag wala dyan, so lalabas ngayon si ngSwitch default, which is yung gel natin. So kapag ito, for example, si Sisa ay 0, wala siya dun sa mga 1, 2, 3, 4. So magkukulay dark po siya.